Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our live trading room results. As always, I have chosen some pairs that were looking really good. Of course, we have positions running, but let's see what was happening with these pairs. GBP New Zealand dollar, we had a trend continuation. Retracements on higher settings. Of course, we had already identified next potential targets through our top-down approach that happens every Monday. And you can see here, this is the vertical line at the beginning of the week. We had a really nice retracement. Again, if you took it here with the spiky thingy here, like 40 pips, price moved 200 and is it 40, is it 50, 250, and it's thinking about it. It still goes, and with this 250, with this 50 you could go for 800, but let's take it one step at a time. 5 times my APO on GBP New Zealand dollar, not bad at all. And let's continue to Euro Aussie. Same scenario, trend continuation. On the live room, if you remember, I said when we saw price starts moving higher, don't get panic, let's say. This is an M12. Besides, it did that before. So either you were going for a higher settings retracement or not. And with another M12 entry, again like 50 pips, 200 this time. So this time it was 5 times our APO. So again, you see price looks retracing. So I'm okay if I can get a higher settings retracement. I remain short, of course, because price can give me 1000 pips more. Even if I get stopped out, I mean, if you have trailed your APO above this spike here and you get stopped out, you switch to M24, you wait for an M24 retracement, and then you go for these 1000 pips. Just because you got stopped out, it doesn't mean you should keep a long face on Euro Aussie. There are no emotions coming from the market. Now on New Zealand dollar CAD, again we saw our double bottoms here. Price gave me my crossover. Of course, if you saw that happening, a little bit funny, not that good of a retracement, like 30 pips, 180, maybe you went with lower settings, and then you had an M6 just to be able to create your win-win scenario quickly, again with an APO 35 pips, already 130. Probably you took your incremental profits here, and hopefully you have your last position running. And why is that? Because price could go all the way up here. For those that are joining us weekly, you remember that we were focusing long on much more higher settings, and that's exactly why easily and even late we took that long opportunity, because we aim for the bigger picture. We aim high. Last one is Euro New Zealand dollar, Euro Kiwi. So again, trend continuation. On higher settings we saw price breaking our strong support area, so there was only one course of action, waiting for a retracement. We know but we don't always get what we want. My retracement was here, and as I have explained numerous times in our live room, I would prefer my retracement to be here, something like that. Even better if my retracement uses my previous support area as resistance. Not only that, because also I will have much more room to go. Nevertheless, here again with an entry of 50, 60 pips maybe, I'm going for 900 plus pips. Again, as always, I have created my win-win scenario, 230 pips, 4 times my APO. That means a stress-free trade. That's the whole idea. And again, if I can get a higher settings retracement, even better. That means confirmation on higher settings, and as soon as my 2 to 3 line breaks, I go short. Of course, all the pairs that we are monitoring are in our watch list or not, depending how they look. 16 times our APO, 810 pips of a movement. Don't forget, we still have positions running. From time to time, we post our updates on our fan page. Thank you very much. Have a beautiful day, and see you again Monday morning with our top-down approach. Stay safe, everybody.